farm equipment and industrial equipment all have batteries, and here on this John Deere, the battery's easily positioned up front, so it's easy to get to. Connecting up a charger is quick and simple, just connecting the positive to the positive, negative to the negative. Now at this point we are looking at the voltage of the battery, and when we plug in the AC, what happens here is it first of all turns on the power light, then it looks to make sure that it can charge the battery, which is a green LED, and then the status light starts to blink, and whenever the status light is blinking, it's in one of its 4 phases of charging. So when it comes on solid, it's totally done charging, but depending on the speed of the pulsing of the little LED tells us what phase it's in. If we remove the power and we turn on the load, we can actually get the real true accurate voltage reading of what that battery is. Now this battery is 12.8 volts, so it's in good shape. Now what we can do here is if we want to go ahead and improve the condition of the battery, we can go ahead and deep cycle it, and that's quite simple. All we do is we turn on the load and we turn on the low voltage alarm, and then we use the headlights. We turn on the headlights and we lower the voltage by using the headlights until it gets down to 11.6 to 11.7 volts, in which case the beeper will start beeping, and at that point we turn off the headlights and we basically deep cycle the battery back. We charge it back up again by plugging in the AC power again, which is very easy to do, and turning off the load. And now what we're doing is we're basically doing the same thing we did before. The power comes back on, it finds the battery, the status light starts to blink, and it's now going to charge the battery back up again, but it's going to do it quickly, and during that quick recharge we will be conditioning the battery, cleaning the plates, and actually making the battery better than it was before we started the process. And on batteries that sit all winter or all summer that can't get to a charger, this is something that you would want to do to it as soon as you recommission the battery. But it's very, very simple to do, as you can see. Now, when the charger is completely finished charging, it automatically adjusts itself to whatever the battery needs. So there's no problem with leaving this thing on all the time. As a matter of fact, it is constantly exercising the battery and conditioning the battery the longer it's left on. So it's a good thing to leave it on. If you can leave it on all the time, the longer you leave it plugged in, the better the battery becomes. It's a simple technology, but it works extremely well, and it maintains your battery perfectly.